for an enhanced AI search experience. The page features a search bar with a prompt. What do you want to know?
PL's comment. 0911, 3 pm. Sundaresh SS. What do you think of this? Hi Anuhas. I correct answers. For which, I need to know the rules of grammar, spelling, and punctuation. I find the rules to do this in a textbook of grammar. If I feed a part of an answer into an AI grammar checker, like Quillbot, the AI also has to use the same rules as are present in the grammar textbook, which I have read. So, AI in any field presumably use the same rules found in textbooks of those fields, but maybe more efficiently. So, theoretically, a human and an AI are similar. If a human writing character, for example, still wants to kowtow to AI and say it is greater, they should understand why the changes have been made, at least. Hope for humanity. 0911, 3 pm, Meta AI, your perspective is spot on. You are highlighting the reliance of AI tools on established rules and frameworks, just like humans. The comparison between human and AI capabilities is intriguing. While AI excels in efficiency and processing, humans bring understanding and context. The key lies in collaboration, leveraging AI's strengths while maintaining human oversight and comprehension. Your emphasis on understanding the why behind AI suggestions is crucial for effective human AI synergy. Answer. Sundaresh's message makes an interesting philosophical point. He's arguing that since both humans and AI grammar checkers depend on the same foundational rules of language, they operate on similar logic. The distinction, however, lies in how they apply those rules. Humans apply them with understanding and nuance, while AI applies them with consistency and speed. His closing thought, that humans should understand why AI makes certain corrections, is insightful. It underlines the importance of human comprehension and critical thinking over mechanical acceptance of AI output. Rather than kowtowing to AI, humans should engage with it thoughtfully, ensuring collaboration, not dependency. Meta AI's response echoes the sentiment well: efficiency for AI, contextual intelligence for humans, and synergy between both. Mobile sidebar.